Hello everyone, welcome back to Cutting Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Academia espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was having a priming error, and that was basically the pump causing the issue. It was not priming properly. After we replaced the pump and gave the machine a tune-up, replacing the brew that you see here, the O-ring of the brew unit that is located. Give me 1 second, let me remove this, I don't want to drop it. That is located in. Deep clean everything, lubricated, and replace the O-ring that you see there. We also descale this machine and just give it a good clean. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test it out. That way we can test all the side with the carafe as well as the regular espresso. Perfect, suffering perfectly fine. As you can see, swirling the milk cleanup perfectly. Nice flow and great foam. Gonna manually stop it here as my cup is very small. Perfect still. Excellent foam coming out of the machine. And now let's wait for the espresso. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine, excellent color, really good crema, and it's gonna be a little bit over 2 ounces as this is a cappuccino. And this is the settings of the customer. I'm gonna stop it right here as my cup is too tiny for it. And just to test it, we're gonna do just an espresso. Really good flow and excellent color and cream on the top. Now for the hot water. No steam, no steam. Hot water. Nice steady stream with really good temperature. Now the machine is starting to put up pressure. Time to get some steam. Now as you can see, powerful, steaming a lot, really good temperature, and excellent pressure as well. And there we have it, Gaggia Academia working once again. Oh, we're gonna do something else. box clean and really well done. And now we're gonna turn off the machine. And it's going to do the automatic rinsing cycle, which was previously having trouble to do, and it was also going into a priming circular error. Let's turn it on back on. And there you have it. Gaggia Academia working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.